bless my life, Jah guide my way. I will serve you every day. From now until the end of time, your light forever ever shine. Through the trials of the night, you turn my darkness into light. Every step I take, I feel your guiding hand. Through mountains high and rivers deep, you help me stand. I lift my eyes, Lord, to the sky so wide and blue. Every moment, every breath, I feel your love so true. When the storms come raging and the winds blow cold and strong, I know Jah's protection carries me along. Your faithfulness surrounds me like the ocean's endless waves. You calm my fears, Lord, and teach my soul to be brave. No chain can hold me, no shadow can confine, for your spirit lives in me, eternal, pure, divine. I hear the angels singing softly in the morning breeze. Their voices lift my spirit, put my heart at ease. Every trial, every burden becomes a song of praise. In your eternal light I walk through all my days. From valleys low to hills above, I feel your peace so near. You wipe away my sorrow and you calm my every fear. The world may try to bind me, to fill my heart with doubt, but your love, Jah, guides me, shows what life's about. Through the struggles and the tears, your mercy never ends. You are my refuge, Savior, my closest friend. I sing your name with joy, let it echo loud and clear. For in your mighty presence, Lord, I feel you always near. I thank you for the blessings, for the sunshine and the rain, for teaching me to love, to endure every pain. Through every twist and turn, your light has been my guide. In you, Lord, I find freedom, I find peace inside. Your mercy is unending, your grace will never fade. I walk with you, Jah, in the life you kindly made. When fear comes creeping and doubts cloud up my mind, I hear your voice of wisdom in every single sound. It whispers hope, it whispers peace, it whispers strength to fight. It turns my darkest sorrow into shining light. I stand upon the mountains, I dance beside the sea. In every place I journey, Lord, you are here with me. Through the fire and the trials, I hear your gentle voice. It calls me to the righteous path, it bids my heart rejoice. Your words are like a lamp, lighting up the darkest night. In your guidance I find courage, I find sight.